I think I follow you on YouTube.
What's my YouTube?
You were at Spartan last weekend?
Yeah.
Yeah. I've been looking through your videos trying to find myself.
What, Spartan or Black Ops?
Black Ops.
Okay.
Stand behind you.
Hello everybody, welcome back to another Airsoft video. I can't really speak at the moment, so this is probably going to be the only voiceover. Well, I'm going to do one at the end as well. So what happened is, my LiPo battery kind of set on fire, and all the fumes went up into my mouth and burnt my throat. So that's why I sound like a chain smoker. But yeah. Today I'm at Black Ops Airsoft, like usual. It was a good day, but one guy did catch my eye, and almost everybody's eye on the day. I will point him out, because he is a blatant cheater. But other than that, it was a good day. I didn't get that much kills, and I normally do. So, other than that, let's get into the video. See you at the end of the video, because I'm not talking for the rest of it.
Still hit.
Just to clarify, gun hits do count at Black Ops. They don't at Spartan, but they do at Black Ops. I gave him the benefit of the doubt for the gun hit, but then I hit him in the shoulder, he flinched and still didn't call it. It's hard to see on the recording, but he's did this multiple times during the day.
There we go. Hey! Hello.
There's two of you down here now at sniping, right? Right, they're coming up.
Okay. They're coming up.
Oh, they're getting ready. You.
Hmm?
Any cheaters?
Yep.
Oh, yeah, same as normal then. No, I didn't as bad as last time.
This guy with a skull mask.
I know exactly which one it was, because I f***ing shot him as well.
Well, that's good enough.
My mate watches you on YouTube.
Oh, do you?
Yeah. Statue of fucking left.
There's a guy literally Oh, did you see that?
Yep, nice hit. Hit. Marshall! No.
It's better when you're a ghillie because they don't see it as much.
Gun to right, gun to right. Yeah,
Nice.
good boy, good. Now and then. Mate, call your fucking age! That's what I thought, bitch.
What, the guy in the white?
No, the red black one there, right at the back. Mate, his gun is jumping.
Oh my god, I just shot and hit someone.
I can't fucking see anything. They come to the right of us. And the left. Oh fuck. No, to the left.
I got a cheater again.
Change your mag. I can hear them. What the fuck is here, though?
Oh shit. Remind me I dropped a mag here.
You got the mag?
Yeah.
Hit! Yeah, like no. Ah, fucking mate, stop spraying it. Hit! Hit!
Got a sniper. Hey! Hey! What the f? Oh my god. Can't see anyone.
And that is everything I have for today. I didn't get as much stuff as I usually do, but that doesn't matter. At least there's only one cheater for the day. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you next week. Bye. My voice just keeps getting worse and worse and worse. What the hell is happening?